there's something here.
Does everybody want holidays on their asparagus or not?
Say Happy Easter, Connor.
Happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter, Ming. Alyssa?
Happy Easter.
What do you got? We got some potato salad, macaroni and cheese.
Don't put this on YouTube.
Why not?
Because
Easter turkey. It was. It's Thanksgiving now. Easter.
No, we
What
got
are we
lemon
gonna do
pound
next
cake.
Christmas dinner?
White cake. What's that? Cream cheese?
see what?
Corn.
Little cake.
Turnip greens. Macaroni and cheese. Potato salad.
Stick.
Pea salad. California salad? I don't know.
Boiled and colored eggs.
What else we have?
Cake.
Cake?